Hi friends, welcome back to my last episode of the evening that I'm filming that you probably won't see until the morning. I love Murphy here. I have some randomly packaged items for this wish haul, and I don't know if it's the Sloopy Time tea, although it probably is. I'm a little sleepy. I wanted to come back though before I washed everything off my face and show you guys my eyeshadow. Not sure if you can see it. I'm going to try to stand still for a moment instead of my, usual spastic tendencies. I'm going to sit here for a moment with my eyes closed. It may be pointless because you guys are probably not going to see this. It may not be, but anyway, I wanted to report back on the Colourpop eyeshadow that I got from Wish in all these little nifty little boxes. I've already put them away in my bathroom, but they blend very nicely. They are very pretty when you put them on. Again, not like you can see. I did put a little bit more makeup on just to kind of not make me look like a crazy person. There's not a whole lot of fallout. I did go downstairs, have some tea, and kind of like edit my other video. It's like uploading right now. I'm rambling and you're just watching me look at myself. But they did blend really easily. They're, I won't say idiot proof because I'm beyond. They're Murphy proof. I really like them. So pretty sure that these, like I said, are the originals. I did look into some of the names, or one of the names in particular. You'll have to tune in and see. But it looks like it's a misprint, so that might be why. And then the other one jumped out and almost fell and broke completely. So that's probably why they were sold over there, or through this channel versus on the actual Colourpop website. So without further ado, I'm actually cutting these open as I go. This is it's not shoes, it's funny socks, but if you look at the description, it actually says shoes. So not sure if you can see that. Last time my camera was not focusing at all. So you should see that it says shoes, which I thought was kind of funny. This is a packet of socks. I had seen a few that were kind of goofy, and I thought, well, why not? They're socks. It can't hurt. These are women's socks. Everyday nice socks, it says. I think these are more special occasion socks. Don't you agree? What's cool about these is this actually is the part that your heel goes in to. So when you're walking, it kind of looks like it's going nom, 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 nom. Okay. So anyway, I thought they were super cute. I know when I was buying them, my eldest was like, let me own a pair. And I said, these are for big feet, not for little feet like yours. So, nana boo boo. You don't get this one. You don't get them this time. Aren't they nice? Okay, so the next one, what is this? I got cold in here all of a sudden. I don't know what's going on. It is like negative below zero today out where I am. This is funnel. Okay, so actually there's two in here. I might have ordered two. I also thought they were green, which it doesn't really matter because, ooh. So this is what it looks like in the packet. Probably want to see what that looks like. It looks like there's almost holes in it, right? Like it's like wound up, but it's not. It's an actual funnel. Not really sure what my thought process was for this. Probably if I want to obviously pour something into something, like into a container that's smaller, I'm sure I'll have a use for this at some point. It seems like it's made out of like a rubbery, like a silicone material. So I don't know if like I could do icing. It seems like it would have to be something a little more runny. I don't know. We shall see. I'll toss one of these in the loot box. Hello? I don't know. Almost like Devo, was it? Devo in the olden days? What was for it? It's a party hat. Yep, no, okay. Sorry. I can't promise how sane I am this late in the evening. Another garbage bag package. Blends in so nicely with my outfit here. I don't know what this is. This says Description of contents is keychain. Oh wait, you know what? I think I might know what this is. Hopefully it's not that munchy cheap. I thought I had ordered the couple, and then those were okay. These are much flimsier than I thought they'd be. Okay, well, they're cute. I actually got these. Oh, they have legs. I didn't realize they had legs. I got these for my munchkins. It's supposed to be a unicorn. I was gonna put it on their backpacks when they play. These are not very sturdy. That's kind of disappointing. And I could have sworn that on the in the description they did not have legs, but they both do. So I got one in pink and one in purple. The colors are kind of tricky on the site too. You have to be careful because there's like a hot pink and a baby pink. I think they refer to it as soft pink. These are very soft little balls of fluff. They are synthetic, which is good. The unicorn head and feet are hollow, which is also schmancy. They seem to be padded. Sorry, they seem to be padded. Lots of yawns, lots of edits. They are only printed though on one side, which is kind of a bummer. I'll show you guys. Like there on that side, there's nothing. If you turn it over, she's got a face. Same thing with this one. So they're both kind of going either the same way. They can't really talk to each other, which is gonna kind of stink. I mean, I guess if you really want to get down to the nitty gritty of unicorn keychain conversation, it is gonna be a little limited, folks. So, you know, I'm sure that's a thing. Okay, so this is a really flat pack of something. I think it's like a puzzle. This is accessory, yeah. So I bought this. I didn't know really what to expect, and now it's just falling apart in my hands because I'm an idiot. So basically this is for me to step on in the middle of the night and hurt myself, essentially, because I cut into the plastic bag too, like a dum-dum. It is like one of those, it's supposed to be a toy house. And I just ripped out half of the things that go in there. So lots of windows, which is weird. I mean, it's cool. They're like cheap Legos. Not even Legos. I don't know what they're called, but they do fit together pretty well. They're obviously very easy to take apart because I just did that. So we'll see if my my youngest loves building stuff. And blocks can be a little cumbersome. I don't know how much or what she can make out of this, but you know, it's worth a try. They're all the same shape, so maybe she can start getting into like three-dimensional things. I'm just gonna toss this over there. Missed one, sorry. So it comes in like the primary colors. It's kind of cute for a couple bucks. I remember it not being expensive really at all. This is Pig Non-Woven Backpack. So I'm assuming this is a backpack. And it's not just any pig. It's our favorite, ladies and gentlemen. The one whose watch my kiddos were sporting all day today. And I thought I got two of these, but I could be mistaken. Yes, this is cute. It is also tiny, but that's okay. This is a Peppa Pig. Hip, hip. Oh boy. Does it seriously say that? I don't know what language that is, if that's even a thing, but it literally says, let's see if I can flatten it out. It says, what the heck does it say? Hip hip hurrah per Peppa. Interesting. It's a different dragon. It's not even like the dinosaur that she has, or her brother George has, but it's cute. It's like a canvas, like a cheap canvas, I guess. And then it's plastic line on the top. Or on the print. This is like a drawstring kind of. This will fit probably a 3 or 4-year-old easily, which I have one of those, so it should work out. This was really just a couple of dollars, so I'm not really worried about it. The unicorn keychain will go on there nicely. I'm just gonna make a mess. That's all it is. And we're at 10 minutes already, and I've literally unpackaged everything that I had. So I did buy, I thought, a couple more pairs of these. Kind of excited about wearing these, and well, what I'm gonna do, I really want to put, if there were 2 holes in here, I would really want to put that on. I'm a unicorn too. What do you think, guys? No? Okay. Well, I am going to sign off for the night. We will be back with more. Like I said, I really just wanted to get you guys a good idea of what this fancy schmancy eyeshadow looks like, and kind of let's chip away at my giant cubby bin of Wish stuff. So I have a lot to go through, and maybe next time I'll try to check and see what actually I have so I can kind of group it together a little bit better. Let me know if you guys like that better, or if you prefer when I just kind of blindly start picking things and all willy-nilly and have a whole lot of variety slash different things. I don't know if it's really variety because it's kind of the same kind of stuff I get, but any other suggestions you might have, let me know down below. Other than that, I will say goodnight. So Murphy out. Thanks a lot. Bye.